Learning two-letter words, I will teach you three-letter words. With the help of vowels A, E, I, O, U, we can make three-letter words. Three-letter words can be introduced with the help of CVC pattern. That is CVC. It means consonant, plus vowels, plus consonant. Okay, this is CVC pattern. Consonant plus vowel and plus consonant. Okay, so now we will take first vowel A. With the help of this vowel, we can start three-letter words. That is first B, A, T, bat. The sound of this three-letter word is B, A, T, bat. B, A, T, bat. Next is K, A, T, cat. K, A, T, cat. C, A, T, cat. Next is M, A, T, mat. M, A, T, mat. M, A, T, mat. M, A, T, mat. Next is F, A, T, fat. F, A, T, fat. F, A, T, fat. The next is H, A, T, hat. H, A, T, hat. H, A, T, hat. The next is R, A, T, rat. R, A, T, rat. S, A, T, set. S, A, T, set. S, A, T, set. Now we will repeat all this. B at bat, K at cat, M at mat, F at fat, H at hat, R at rat, and S at set. Okay. With the help of A vowels, we can start with new words. That is B and ban. B and ban. B-A-N, ban. Next is K and can. K-A-N, can. C-A-N, can. K-A-N, can. Next is M and man. M and man. M-A-N, man. M-A-N, man. Next is F and fan. F and fan. F-A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan. P-A-N, pen. P-A-N, pen. That is P-A-N, pen. The next is R-A-N, ren. R-A-N, ren. R-A-N, ren. The next is V-A-N, ven. V-A-N, ven. V-A-N, ven. Now we repeat B and ban, K and can, M and man, F and fan, P and pan, R and ran, and V and van. Okay. Now again with the help of this A vowels, we can make another words. The first one is D-am, dam. D-am, dam. D-A-M, dam. Next is R-am, ram. R-am, ram. R-A-M, ram. The next is Ham, ham. Ham, ham. Ham, ham. Next is jam, jam. Jam, jam. Now we will repeat am, dam, am, ram, am, ham and am, jam. Now with the help of this A vowel we can learn more words. So we will start with another words, that is 3-letter words. First is b, a, d, bed. B, a, d, bed. B, a, d, bed. Next is d, a, d, dead. D, a, d, dead. D, a, d, dead. The next is f, a, d, fed. F, a, d, fed. F, a, d, fed. The next is h, a, d, head. H, a, d, head. H, a, d, head. The next is m, a, d, med. M, a, d, med. M, a, d, med. The next is l, a, d, led. P, a, d, pad. P, a, d, pad. P, a, d, pad. The next is s, a, d, said. S, a, d, said. S, a, d, said. Now we will repeat b, add a bad, d, add a dad, f, add a fad, h, add a had, m, add a mad, l, add a lad, p, add a pad and s, add a sad. With the help of A we can make another 3-letter words. Okay, so other is C, A, P, cap. K, A, P, cap. K, A, P, cap. The next is L, A, P, lap. L, A, P, lap. L, A, P, lap. L, A, P, lap. The next is M, A, P, map. M, A, P, map. M, A, P, map. M, A, P, map. R, A, P, rap. R, A, P, rap. R, A, P, rap. The next is S, A, P, sep. S, A, P, sep. The next is T, A, P, tap. T, A, P, tap. T, A, P, tap. Now we will repeat K, apple cap. L, apple lap. M, apple map. R, apple rap. S, apple sap. And T, apple tap. Okay. Now we will take some more words. Those are B, A, G, bag. B, A, G, bag. B, A, G, bag. Next is G, A, G, gag. G, A, G, gag. G, A, G, gag. The next is R, A, G, rag. R, A, G, rag. R, A, G, rag. The next is T, A, G, tag. T, A, G, tag. T, A, G, tag. The next V, A, G, wag. W A G wag. W-A-G wag. Now we will repeat. B-A-G bag, G-A-G gag, R-A-G rag, T-A-G tag and V-A-G wag. These all sounds are about A vowels. Okay. With the help of I vowel, we can make 3-letter words. I. B-I N bin. B-I-N bin. B-I-N bin. The next is F-I-N fin. F-I-N fin. The next is P-I-N pin. P-I-N pin. P-I-N pin. T-I-N tin. T-I-N tin. T-I-N tin. The next is S-I-N sin. S-I-N sin. S-I-N sin. The next is V-I-N win. V-I-N win. We will repeat. B-I-N bin, F-I-N fin, P-I-N pin, T-I-N tin, S-I-N sin, V-I-N win. We will make now some more words. B-I-G big. B-I-G big. B-I-G big. The next is D-I-G dig. D-I-G dig. The next is F-I-G fig. F-I-G fig. F-I-G fig. The next is J-I-G jig. J-I-G jig. J-I-G jig. The next is P-I-G pig. P-I-G pig. P-I-G pig. The next is V-I-G wig. V-I-G wig. Now we will repeat. B-I-G big, D-I-G dig, F-I-G fig, J-I-G jig, P-I-G pig and V-I-G wig. Okay. Now we will take few more words. B-I-D bid. B-I-D bid. B-I-D bid. The next is H-I-D hid. H-I-D hid. H-I-D hid. The next is D-I-D did. D-I-D did. D-I-D did. The next is K-I-D kid. K-I-D kid. K-I-D kid. The next is L-I-D lid. L-I-D lid. L-I-D lead. The next is R-E-D read. R-E-D read. Okay. Now we will again repeat. B-I-D bead, H-I-D heed, D-I-D deed, K-I-D kid, L-I-D lead and R-I-D read. Now we will take few more words. Okay. B-I-B bib. B-I-B bib. B-I-B bib. The next is F-I-B fib. F-I-B fib. F-I-B fib. The next is N-I-D b nib. N I b nib. N I b nib. And the next is r I b rib. R I b rib. Now we will repeat b I b bib, f I b fib, n I b nib, and r I b rib. Okay. Now we will take few more words. Okay. B I t bit. B I t bit. The next is f I t fit. F I t fit. F I t fit. The next is k I t kit. K I t kit. K I t kit. The next is l I t lead. L I t lead. L I t lead. The next is p I t pit. P I t pit. P I t pit. The next is s I t sit. S I t sit. S I t sit. Now we will repeat b I t bit, f I t fit, k I t kit, l I t lit, p I t pit, and s I t sit. Okay. Now we will take few more words. F I x fix. F I x fix. M I x mix. M I x mix. S I x six. S I x six. Now we will repeat f I x fix, m I x mix, s I x six. Let us take 3-letter words with the help of vowel O. G O D God. G O D God. G O D God. The next is N O D nod. N O D nod. N O D nod. The next is P O D pod. P O D pod. P O D pod. The next is K O D cord. K O D cord. The next is R O D rod. R O D rod. We will repeat G O D God, N O D nod, P O D pod, K O D cord, and R O D rod. Now we will learn few more words. D O G dog. D O G dog. D O G dog. The next is F O G fog. F O G fog. F O G fog. The next is H O G hog. H O G hog. H O G hog. The next is L O G log. L O G log. Now we will repeat D O G D O G dog, F O G fog, H O G hog, and L O G log. Now we will learn few more words. K O T cot. K O T cot. C O T cot. The next is d o t dot. D o t dot. D o t dot. The next is g o t got. G o t got. The next is h o t hot. H o t hot. H o t hot. The next is l o t lot. L o t lot. L o t lot. The next is p o t pot. P o t pot. P o t pot. The next is n o t not. N o t not. N o t not. The next is r o t rot. R o t rot. R o t rot. Now we will repeat all this. K o t cot. D o t dot. G o t got. H o t hot. L o t lot. P o t pot. N o t not. And r o t rot. Okay. Now we will learn few more words. That is j o b job. J o b job. And the other is b o x box. B o x box. B o x box. And the f o x fox. F o x fox. F o x fox. Now we will repeat j o b job, b ox box, and f ox fox. Now we will start with the another vowel, that is U vowel. With the help of U vowel, we can make 3-letter words. K, a, b, cub. C, U, B, cub. K, a, b, cub. The next is D, a, b, dub. D, a, b, dub. The next is R, a, b, rub. R, a, b, rub. The next is T, a, b, tub. T, a, b, tub. T, u, b, tub. The next is H, a, b, hub. H, a, b, hub. H, u, b, hub. Now we will repeat. K, a, b, cub. D, a, b, dub. R, a, b, rub. T, a, b, tub. And H, a, b, hub. Okay. Now we will take few more words. B, a, g, bug. B, u, g, bug. B, a, g, bug. The next is D, a, g, dug. D, a, g, dug. D, u, g, dug. The next is H, a, g, hug. H, u, g, hug. H, a, g, hug. The next is R, a, g, rug. R, a, g, rug. R, u, g, rug. The next is T, a, g, tug. T, a, g, tug. T, u, g, tug. The next is J, a, g, jug. J, a, g, jug. Now we will repeat. B, a, g, bug. Dug, hug, rug, tug, and jug. Now we will take few more words. Those are sun, 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 sun. The next is fun, 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 fun. The next is gun, 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 gun. The next is run, run, run. Now we will repeat sun, sun, fun, fun, gun, gun, and run. Now we will learn few more words. That is but, but, B-U-T, but, but. The next is cut, cut, cut. The next is hut, 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 H-U-T, hut. The next is nut, 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 N-U-T, nut. Now we will repeat but, cut, cut, hut, and nut. Now we will learn few more words. Mud, 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 M-U-D, mud. The next is bud, 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 B-U-D, bud. The next is pup, pup. Now we will repeat mud, mud, bud, bud, and pup. Now we have learned A vowel, I vowel, O vowel, and U vowel. With the help of this vowel, we can make 3-letter words. With the help of E vowel also, we can make 3-letter words. Okay, those are. The word is fed. The sound fed. The next is bed. Bed. The next is lead. 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 L-E-D, lead. The next is red. 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 R-E-D, red. The next is wed. Wed. W-E-D, wed. Now we repeat fed, fed, bed, bed, led, led, red, red, wed. Now we learn few more words. Den. D-E-N, den. The next is hen. 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 H-E-N, hen. The next is man. Man. The next is pen. Pen. n pen. P E n pen. The next is t e n ten. T e n ten. T E n ten. Now we repeat all. D E n den. D n den. H e n hen. M e n man. P e n pen. And t e n ten. Okay. Now learn few more words. B e g bag. B e g bag. B e g bag. The next is k e g keg. K e g keg. K e g keg. The next is L E G. L e g leg. L e g leg. The next is P e g peg. P e g peg. P e g peg. We repeat all this. B e g bag. K e g keg. L e g leg. And P e g peg. Now few more words. G e t get. G e t get. G e t get. The next is P e t pet. P e t pet. P e t pet. The next is L e t let. L e t let. L e t let. The next is V e t wet. V e t wet. W e t wet. Now we repeat all this. G at get. P at pet. L at let. And V at wet. We have learned 3-letter words with the help of A, E, I, O, U vowels. Now it's time to have some test.